What's up? What's up?
I let the gun do the talking. There's a gun pointed at your face.
Well, this is interesting.
Hop on the whip. Hop on the whip.
Well,
Yeah, that works. But like,
hello. So,
Hello.
that guy dude just tried to, like, I don't know if he's gonna carjack my whatever, or... But that dude just started shooting at me for no damn reason. But I knew you were over here.
Oh, uh,
did I just get shot?
I think so. Holy shit, I think that guy just came back. Holy shit. I think that dude just came back and tried to shot the cop. Okay, well, I'm gonna call this a day for now. I'm gonna let my gun do the talking. I'm getting the fuck out of here then, dude. Minutes. I gotta get out of here. There's no effing way that that little fucking sports car would, pit this vehicle. That's just not gonna happen. Oh, fuck it, this one's the wrong way. Holy hell, that was crazy. Damn. No, I like the other way better. Get back up, dude. Yeah. Faceplant. I like it the other way. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. That was some crazy shit. That was some crazy shit. See, this is why I need a gun. Anyway, I'll be back in a little bit. Ooh, I wonder if that guy saw me go and get money out of the ATM. Oh, that little shit. That's a good thing I split.